I use the Toolbox weekly. Of course, I make time for Bible study and to write to God and go on a walk. Duh. Of course, I use the Toolbox weekly. On Tuesdays, I tell God why I trust Him. You know, God, I went to McDonald's and I left my wallet. I got to the window to pay, and I found $100 bill in my back pocket. So I trust you with my life, and I just want to tell you, thank you. Of course, I use the Toolbox, and on Wednesdays, I take time to worship God. Praise Him now. I use the Toolbox. Of course, I take Thursdays to thank God. I just want to thank you. 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 Of course, I use a Toolbox daily, so I celebrate Freedom Fridays. Freedom!